Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the OS and opening the correct terminal app. This matters because commands differ between Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Once done, make sure you have the right permissions, run as administrator, or use sudo for system tasks. Now open the console. Use Start Terminal on Windows, Spotlight Terminal on Mac OS, or Ctrl+Alt+T on many Linux distributions. Explain why. Getting the correct shell and permissions upfront prevents permission errors and wasted troubleshooting time later. You need to navigate the file system and run simple commands. That's how you actually work in the console. Use CD to change directories, ls or dir to view contents, and pwd to confirm your location. Once there, edit files with an editor like Nano, Vim, or Notepad, or use echo and redirection for quick edits. Also, install required tools with your package manager, apt, brew, or choco, because having the right utilities saves time and avoids manual dependency resolution. You're ready to run commands and automate repetitive tasks. Execute scripts directly with /script, sh, or with interpreters like Python script, py, and use cmd, exe/c on Windows where needed. Once successful, make routine actions easier with aliases, shell functions, cron jobs, or task scheduler entries to save keystrokes. If something breaks, first check the path and permissions, then environment variables and log output. That single troubleshooting tip, inspect permissions and path, will resolve most common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.